Hello students, welcome to School Quiz. My name is Von Gupta and I am your physics teacher. In this video, I am going to discuss a most important topic for term 1 CBSE class 10th. Okay, so what is our topic? Image formation by concave mirror in different position of the object. This is really most important topic and it includes 3 and 5 marks question. So let's start this topic. Before I am going to start this topic, I am going to give you a brief summary of this topic so that we can understand it better. So read the sentence again. What is written? Image formation by concave mirror. So we have to take one concave mirror in different position of the object. What is the meaning of that? In different position of the object, matlab we have to take one object also. And what we do now, that this is our concave mirror. Okay, this is pole, this is focus, and this is center of curvature. We kept this object in different position in front of this mirror and will observe where will our image produce. Okay, first of all we kept our this object at infinity, and we observe that our image is produced at focus. Then we kept our object beyond center of curvature, and we see that our object is, when we keep object there, then image will be produced in between C and F. Okay, and as we coming closer to the mirror, the image is shifting away from the mirror. Okay, when we kept at C, that is the center of curvature, your image will be produced at center of curvature. When we place object between center of curvature and focus, when we kept object center of curvature and focus, your image is shift again, your image again shift to the beyond center of curvature, and we will discuss all the 6 different cases in concave mirror. Okay, there are 6 different cases which we are going to learn or discuss. So what is case first? When object is at infinity, this is our what? This is concave mirror, and this is pole, this is focus, and this is center of curvature. And in case 1, we kept our object far away from the mirror. Okay, suppose this is our object which is far away from the mirror. So in this case, this image is where will the image will produce due to this object, that draw array which is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection from this mirror, it will passes through focus, we know, and draw another ray which is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it will passes from the focus. So these two rays meet at the focus, so image will be produced at focus. Image will be formed at focus. And what is the nature of image? That it is inverted and real. And what is your third point? Third point is that it is highly diminished. It is a smaller size. It is very smaller size. Okay, very smaller size. So this is all about case number 1. What is case number 1? When object is far away from the mirror, then these are the cases. What is the meaning of real image? That when the image is produced in front of the mirror, then you consider that image as real image. Okay, what is inverted? Inverted means ulta. If this is like your object, then image is formed inverted. This is what? Inverted image of this object. Okay, so this is all about your case number 1. What is case number 2? What is case 2? When object is beyond center of curvature. Okay, it means that this is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature, and you kept your object here. When it is beyond center of curvature, where it will be image? This image is what now we do? Draw array which is parallel to the principal axis. Draw array from that object. Draw array which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection from this mirror, it will converge from the focus. Okay, and now again draw another ray from the object that is passing through the focus, and after reflection from the mirror, it will become parallel to the principal axis. Okay, what we are doing, we are making two rays, because we know that when two rays meet, image will be formed. Okay, so we are making one ray which is parallel to the principal axis and passes through the focus, another ray parallel passing to the focus, and after reflection become parallel. Okay, so our object, in this point, this is the intersection of two rays, so image will produce here. So in between, image is produced between C and F, means center of curvature and focus. This image is between center of curvature and focus. What is the nature? Nature is that smaller in size. Okay, and what is C point? Again it is inverted and real. It is a real and inverted. What is case number 3? What is case number 3? This is what? This is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Okay, we kept our object at center of curvature, and now we are making our image. Okay, so draw a ray which is parallel to principal axis, and after reflection it passes through focus. After reflection it is passes through focus. Suppose this is your focus, this is your focus, and draw another ray which is passes through focus and become parallel to, and after reflection become parallel to principal axis. So we know that when we kept our object at center of curvature, then image is formed also in between center of curvature, but we are not using proper scales, we are making rough diagram, so the rays are meet here, but we know that when it is at center of curvature, your image will be formed in center of curvature. So these rays meet at this point. So this image produced at center of curvature. Second word, same size of object, image is the same size of object, and what is the nature? That is real and inverted. This is our third case. Now we are moving to our fourth case. Please take the screenshot of this. I am going to rub. Okay, what is case number 4? That now we are shifting our object in between center of curvature and focus, placed between center of curvature and focus. This is what? Mirror, this is pole, this is the center of curvature, and this is focus. Now we kept object there. Now draw two rays which is necessary for making our image. So one ray which is parallel to the principal axis passes through focus, and another ray which is passes through focus and become parallel after make center of curvature there. Okay, and in between center of curvature and focus. Now we know that as first ray is parallel to the principal axis, passes through the focus, and second ray is passes through focus and parallel to the principal axis. So this ray meet at this point. So what we see, that image is large. First is what? Image is large. What is second point? Image is produced beyond C, beyond center of curvature, and third, what is? Real and inverted. Okay, now our fourth case is completed. Fifth case, and we are going to discuss fifth case. Okay, what is case number 5? Again we are shifting our object closer to the mirror, that is at the focus. This is pole, this is focus, this is center of curvature. Now we kept object at at focus. This is what? Focus. Now draw a ray which is normal to the sphere, so it retraces its path and passes through center of curvature, and another ray at the pole. Okay, so after reflection it will after strike the mirror, it will reflect from the mirror. Okay, now these rays are parallel to each other, parallel to each other, and we know that if parallel rays meet in the infinity, so image will be produced at, what is the first case? Image will produce at infinity, and the size of image is highly large. And what is third case? Third case is that again real and inverted. This is all about case number 5, and our last case is case number 6. That is, what is 6th case? Again we move closer to the mirror, that is at case number 5 we are at focus. Now in case number 6 again we move more closer to the mirror, that is between pole and focus. We kept our object. Case number 6, what is case number 6? Between pole and focus. Okay, so draw a ray from the object which is parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it passes through focus, and draw another ray to the center of the mirror and it reflects like that. Now in this case these two rays are diverging. What is this ray? These rays are in diverging nature, diverging. So these rays never meet, and so if these rays never meet, then image will be not formed in the real world. Okay, but what we done here, or what we assume here, that these two rays are meet in the virtual world, that these two rays are appears to meet in the virtual world, that is these two rays meet there, and if these rays meet there, then your image will be formed behind the mirror. Okay, this is behind the mirror. So this image is, what is first case? First case is that larger image is larger than object. What is second? It is virtual and erect. Okay, erect and virtual. And what is third case? Third case is that it is found behind the mirror. It is found behind the mirror. This is all about your six case. Your all 6 cases completed in image formation by concave mirror, and I am suggesting you that please watch this video again and again, so that your concept will be cleared. Okay, now our next topic is image formation by convex mirror. Go in concave mirror. In concave mirror we have total 6 cases, but in convex mirror there is only 2 cases of image formation. Why there is only 2 cases? Because we know that convex mirror is look like that, the reflecting surface is bulging outward, and also we know that focus, center of curvature and focus, suppose this is center of curvature and focus lies behind the mirror. So there is only 2 possibility of cases. First is what? Object is at infinity. Okay, your object is at infinity. Or second case is what? What is case number 2? That object is behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. So let's discuss first. In first case, your object is at far away. Your object is at far away from the mirror. So what happen here? Draw array. This is our object which is far away. Draw array which is parallel to principal axis. And as we know that this is a convex mirror, so it will not converge the rays, it will diverge your rays. Okay, this is your center of curvature. That is, this will diverge rays. Suppose this will diverge like that. Draw another ray which is parallel to the principal axis, and again it will diverge this ray. Again this ray will be diverged by this rays will be diverge by this mirror, by this convex mirror. Okay, now what we use the word in this, that these two rays are never meet, so image will be never formed in the real world, but these two rays are appears to meet in the virtual world. That is what, if you extend this point and you extend this rays, then they will meet, and this point is called focus. And draw a normal line which is meet at the center of curvature. Okay, so when object is at infinity, then what image, this image is first of all formed at focus. What is second? Highly diminished, that is HD, very small, highly diminished. What is third? Virtual and erect. So this is the first case. Okay, what is the second case? This is your convex mirror, your object is behind the mirror. Suppose this is your object. So you know what we do now, we make two rays from this object. That is, first ray is parallel to the principal axis, and this mirror diverges this ray, and the second ray is, suppose this is what, center of curvature, this is focus. So second ray is coming like that, and it retraces its path, and let join this rays at the center of curvature. Okay, now now we know that again these two rays are diverging, so they will never meet, so image will be not formed in the real. But what we do here, we retraces its path, and suppose I retraces its path, it appears to meet. So here this is the point of intersection, so here the image will be formed. And what is the behavior and nature of image? That is smaller, diminished. Why diminished? Because according to this image this is highly small, so this considered as diminished. What is the second point? Virtual and erect. And what is third? That it formed behind the mirror. No, behind the mirror, it is formed behind the mirror, but it is between pole and focus. Okay, between pole and focus. So this is all about the convex mirror of two cases. I am telling you that please go through this lecture, because this already contain 3 and 5 marks. And for numericals, please go to our website, that is schoolquiz.com, and for numericals please sign up.